Hi guys, Haksonzone here and welcome back to my new video. So in this video I have for you free logo, but before that I just want to say a few things. I have these two pre-made logo ready for sale. It's like pre-made custom logo. It's like Ninja and Knight logo, so if you like it and you want to buy it, send me a message on Instagram, send me email or Facebook, I don't know, contact me somewhere, but if you want to buy it, send me a message. Of course, only one person can buy this logo and only one person can buy this logo, so it's like a one-time deal. But if you don't have money, to spend on the logo, just download this one. It's completely free, Reaper logo, and comes with all the stuff on the screen: YouTube banner, Twitter header, avatar, and of course the logo. And it's easy to use. If you don't know how to use it, just download all the links from the description. After that, install the font. Next thing is like extract all the files, open them in Photoshop, select the text, delete it, type your name, and save it. And that's it. It's like 1 minute work for all that. Of course, downside is that everybody can use it. It will not like be custom logo for your team, so everybody can use it, like I said. But if you want custom logo, hit me up on Instagram and subscribe on channel and like this video. And yeah, that's it, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.